How to change language in Walmart.com website. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to change your language setting in Walmart account, then first of all launch open your web browser and type in walmart.com in the URL box to get to the official website of Walmart. After you're inside the home page of Walmart, go ahead and click on the account button at the top right corner and then click on the language option. Once you mouse over to that, you'll see these two different languages available. In my case, there are two different languages available, that is English and Espanol. But in your case, you might have a couple of different options available. Just go ahead and select one of the language you want to change to from that list. Click on the save button popping up at the bottom. And right after you do that, you'll notice your website refreshed and you'll be able to see a different language option that you've selected. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.